Okay, guys, we are here at the new skate park in Seoul. Let's take the first look of the skate park. Robin. Fly out. Let's do I forgot what I wanna do. Let me get back when I'm ready. Okay, guys, this is a crazy skate park. We had a lot of fun. This skate park has very cool ramps, very cool vibe. It's not dirty, it's big, it had all kind of things, and the skate park was crazy. So tomorrow we're driving to the biggest skate park in Amsterdam. See you there. Bye, guys.